Hey there, and welcome back to Tech Beginnings. Today, we're tackling two of the most used tools in your computer setup, your mouse and keyboard. Whether you're customizing them for comfort, boosting your productivity, or just trying to stop accidentally clicking things, we've got you covered with this quick and easy guide. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll need to access the Settings app. You can do this by clicking the Start button, the little Windows logo in the bottom left corner of your screen, and then selecting the gear icon. In the Settings window, click on Devices, and then click Mouse from the left-hand menu. Welcome to the mouse headquarters, where all your mouse preferences are just a click away. By default, the left button is the primary clicker. If you are left-handed, or just want to mess with someone, switch it to the right. Use the drop-down menu under Select Your Primary button. Underneath that, you will find the cursor speed, or how fast your mouse moves. You can adjust the cursor speed by adjusting the slider back and forth. But here's a pro tip. Don't set it too fast unless you're training for the mouse Olympics. Under Roll the mouse wheel to scroll, you can choose between scrolling multiple lines at once or an entire screen. If your scrolling feels too slow or too speedy, adjust the slider below that says choose how many lines to scroll each time. This is useful for if you are doing some research and writing a document. For example, if you have two windows side by side, you can scroll through each one without having to click on it to make it the active window. You just simply hover your mouse over the window you want to scroll and start scrolling. It's the little things. Still in the Devices menu, click on Typing in the left-hand menu. While this section focuses on typing preferences, we'll also tweak some keyboard settings here. Autocorrect misspelled words. You can toggle this on if you want Windows to fix your typos automatically. It's like having a grammar coach who doesn't judge. You can toggle whether you want misspelled words highlighted. Toggle this one right here on if you want word suggestions to pop up while you type. It's great for speeding up writing. And there are a few other options for you to toggle on or off. It's totally up to you. To dive deeper, click Advanced Keyboard Settings at the bottom of the page. Here, you can change the input language and set up shortcuts for switching between languages or layouts. It's super useful if you're bilingual. If you need additional customization for accessibility or ease of use, go to Settings. Remember, it's the lower left-hand corner, the Start button. And then click on the gear icon. Once you're in the Settings window, click Ease of Access. And then on the left-hand side of the window, you'll see Mouse or Keyboard. Starting with Mouse, there is an option where you can control your mouse with the keypad. This is perfect for if your actual mouse goes on strike. Now click on Keyboard and you will see an option to use the on-screen keyboard in case your keyboard is giving you fits and you haven't had time to fix it or get a new one. Below that, there is Sticky Keys. This is where you can press one key at a time for shortcuts. Below that, there is an option for Toggle Keys, and this is where you can play a sound whenever you press Caps Lock, Num Lock, or Scroll Lock. Next, we have Filter Keys. This is where it ignores repeated keystrokes. This is great if you have a habit of hammering the keyboard in frustration. And then there are a couple more options for you if you so desire. And there you have it. Your mouse and keyboard are now perfectly tailored to your preferences. Whether you're setting them up for comfort, efficiency, or just because you can, these small changes make a big difference in your daily computer use. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Got any other settings you'd like to learn about? drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.